Look at the fields where we used to play. They're all barren now, the joy has gone away. Kids, now men, march down a hill, the deadly army ready to kill. To take over the land that to particular ones did belong, they used to peacefully sing a mutual song. But the sky now gave a command to take weapons and their homes bravely defend. The knife is not a thing, it is a choice. We all sense it as we shut down each other's noise. In between of hate and spite, will we ever see the light? We try to hide the pain and fear as our feelings slowly disappear. Hope at the end of the road can't be found. We're no monsters that stagger round and round. I am the circle, and the circle is me.